The Philippine Coast Guard has officially awarded Turkish defense company ASELSAN a contract worth approximately $209.17 million for one additional 30mm remote-controlled weapon station, or RCWS. This latest acquisition follows an earlier order of 2 systems, bringing the total number of ASELSAN's SMASH 30mm weapon stations to 3. These 3 systems will arm the Philippine Coast Guard's 2 flagship Teresa Magbanua-class offshore patrol vessels, together with BRP Gabriela silang, creating a standardized weapon configuration across the service's largest and most capable offshore patrol fleet. While the announcement may sound like a simple procurement update, it actually represents something much more significant. It reflects a deliberate effort to improve fleet readiness, reduce maintenance complexity, and ensure that Philippine Coast Guard crews have modern defensive capabilities suited for today's increasingly challenging maritime environment.
For many years, Coast Guard vessels relied primarily on manually operated heavy machine guns. While effective in certain situations, manually operated weapons expose sailors to enemy fire, harsh weather, and dangerous sea conditions. Remote-controlled weapon stations fundamentally change this equation. Instead of standing on the open deck during an engagement, operators remain safely inside the ship's bridge or combat information room. Using high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging systems, laser rangefinders, and computerized fire controls, they can identify, track, and engage targets without ever exposing themselves to direct danger. This dramatically increases crew survivability while also improving firing accuracy. In today's maritime security environment, where threats may appear suddenly from fast attack craft, pirate vessels, armed smugglers, or even unmanned surface vehicles, reaction time is critical. A stabilized remote weapon station provides exactly that advantage. The system selected by the Philippine Coast Guard is the ASELSAN SMASH 30mm remote control weapon station, one of the most advanced naval remote weapon systems currently available for patrol vessels. Unlike manually aimed guns, the SMASH system remains stabilized even while the ship moves through heavy waves. This means that regardless of sea conditions, the weapon stays locked on target, allowing accurate engagement even during high-speed maneuvers. Its advanced electro-optical sensor suite combines daylight cameras, infrared thermal imaging, automatic target tracking, and laser rangefinding. These sensors enable operators to detect suspicious vessels during both daytime and nighttime operations. Even under poor visibility caused by rain, haze, or rough weather, the system continues to provide reliable targeting information. The integration of automatic target tracking is particularly valuable. Once a target has been identified, the fire control system continuously follows its movement, allowing accurate engagement against fast-moving boats that might otherwise be difficult to hit.
A 30mm automatic cannon delivers significantly greater firepower than the heavy machine guns commonly found aboard patrol vessels. Its effective range extends much farther, while its projectiles possess substantially greater destructive capability. Against fast attack boats, hostile vessels, floating obstacles, or lightly armored targets, the difference is considerable. Rather than relying on multiple bursts from a heavy machine gun, the 30mm cannon provides immediate stopping power with fewer rounds. This capability is especially important in protecting Philippine Coast Guard ships conducting maritime law enforcement missions far from shore. The Coast Guard increasingly operates in contested waters, where encounters with heavily armed vessels are becoming more frequent. While its primary mission remains law enforcement, humanitarian assistance, fisheries protection, and search and rescue, Coast Guard vessels must also be prepared to defend themselves whenever necessary. The addition of modern remote weapon stations strengthens the defensive posture without changing the organization's civilian law enforcement role. Once a target has been identified, the fire control system continuously tracks its movement, enabling accurate engagement of fast-moving boats that might otherwise be difficult to hit.
Interestingly, the Philippine Coast Guard is not the first maritime organization in the country to adopt the ASELSAN 30mm system. The Philippine Navy has already integrated similar weapon stations across several of its newest frontline warships. The highly capable Jose Rizal-class guided missile frigates operate ASELSAN remote weapon systems as part of their layered defensive armament. Even the modern Raja Sulaiman-class offshore patrol vessels utilize ASELSAN systems as part of their mission equipment. This growing commonality between the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Coast Guard offers additional benefits.
As Philippine maritime modernization continues, investments like these demonstrate that building a stronger fleet is not only about adding more ships, it is equally about ensuring every vessel is equipped with the technology needed to accomplish its mission safely, efficiently, and effectively. The modernization of the Philippine Coast Guard is steadily advancing, one capability at a time, helping ensure that those tasked with safeguarding the nation's maritime interests are prepared for the challenges of today and the uncertainties of tomorrow. What do you think about the Philippine Coast Guard's decision to standardize the ASELSAN 30mm RCWs across its fleet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on Philippine defense modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.